sonriendo. Quítalo. Ponte otra vez, ponte otra vez.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
No, 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 no.
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed to. Pero es que... Qué chido.
Same technology that they used when I was going to physical therapy and I was going to a chiropractor, so...
My dog wanted fizzy soda and didn't know how to act.
He got used to it. Oh no.
Oh, Mommy. Ma, Toby's biting. Winston?
Excuse me, please, we're poor. Please, we had to buy you food. Please, thank you so much.
Archie, get off the table. Get off the table.
Okay.
Oh, God damn it. Oh, my God. Get off of me.
Where am I supposed to go?
Go hit it. That's so... May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? What you looking at?
Something I have that I don't know why is that every time I brush my dog, I always keep his fur because for some reason it just feels bad to throw it out. Like, it's such a soft material, it literally feels like a cloud. And I guess sometimes it can make good accessories like hair, but yeah, I don't know what to do with it.